I put in 8 eggs, and I just put in 2 cups of sugar, and now I'm just gonna put in a teaspoon of vanilla. So I just added 3 pounds of ricotta cheese, and I added a half a cup of flour. So now I'm just adding a half a cup of whipped cream.
Spread. Looks good.
So I just put the cheesecake in the oven, and I set it to 425 degrees, and I'm letting it bake for 10 minutes, and then I'm just gonna let it sit for an hour, and then
350.
At 350 degrees. So I just overnight I let the cheesecake cool in the oven, so now it's ready to eat.